So, good morning, student. Welcome to our YouTube channel ABA Online Physics. In this lecture, we discussing about the NEET and JEE syllabus. In NEET syllabus, most of the question asked on the topic of mechanics, nearly 29%, modern physics, nearly 18%, optics, nearly 11%, SHM and wave, nearly 9%, electrodynamics, nearly 22%, thermodynamics, nearly 11%. Okay, in this NEET physics syllabus, most of the part asked in mechanics and electrodynamics. So we discuss in detail the syllabus. The class 11 physics syllabus, that is the word, physical word and measurement, kinematics, laws of motion, work, energy and power, motion of system of particle and rigid body, gravitation, properties of bulk matter, thermodynamics, behavior of perfect gas and kinetic theory, oscillation and wave. And 12th syllabus, electrostatics, current, electricity, magnetic effect of electric current and magnetism, electromagnetic induction and AC current, electromagnetic wave, optics, dual nature of matter and radiation, atom, nuclei and electronics devices. And also JE syllabus, the chapter based on 11 syllabus, unit measurement, motion, laws of motion, work, energy and power, momentum and impulse, rotational motion, gravitation, mechanical properties of solid and fluid, heat and thermodynamic and gases, simple harmonic motion, waves. And also the 12th chapter based on the 12th syllabus, electrostatics, current, electricity, moving charges and magnetism, electromagnetic induction and AC current, ray and wave optics and modern physics. Okay, nearly JE and NEET syllabus, some topics are similar. Then we will discuss the first, that is unit and measurement. Okay, here we discuss some content, that is physical quantity, unit, then characteristics of unit, system of unit, then measurement of length, large distance, small distance, measurement of mass and measurement of time. Here firstly we discuss the physical quantity. What is meant by physical quantity? The physical quantity, a quantity which measurable, okay, is called as a physical quantity. Then what is meant by fundamental quantity, or how to define the fundamental quantity? The physical quantity with the base and cannot be derived from any other quantity is called as the fundamental quantity. For example, length, mass, time, etc. These are called as the fundamental quantities. Now, derived quantity means what? A physical quantity which cannot be derived or expressed from a base or fundamental quantity is called as the derived quantity. For example, speed, velocity, acceleration, force, momentum, torque, etc. Okay. Then unit. How to define the unit, or what is the need of unit? Measurement of any physical quantity involving comparison with certain basic arbitrary chosen internationally accepted reference standard called as a unit. Now what is the fundamental unit? The unit of the fundamental or base quantity are called as a fundamental or base unit. Now the examples, meter, kilometer, second, etc. These are the fundamental unit. Then derived units, the units of derived quantity which can be expressed from the base or fundamental quantity are called as the derived unit. Means, for example, meter per second, kg per meter cube, kg meter per second square, etc. Now the system of unit. A complete set of both fundamental and derived unit is known as the system of unit. Now, what are the characteristics of standard unit? A unit selected from measuring a physical quantity must be fulfill following requirement. Which requirement? First, it should be well defined. Second, it should be suitable size, that is, it should be neither to be large nor to be small in comparison to the quantity to be measured. Third one, it should be reproducible at all places. Fourth one, it should not change from place to place or time to time. Fifth one, It should not change with physical conditions such as temperature, pressure, etc. Then sixth one, it should be easily accessible. These are the characteristics of standard unit. Now, the various system of unit. In various system of units like FPS, CGS and MKS, these are the systems of unit were used for the measurement. The name from the fundamental units and their respective system is given below. Quantity, dimensions and system of unit. Quantity, length, dimension is L. Then FPS system is foot, CGS system centimeter and MKS system is meter. Then mass, dimension is M. We can measure FPS in pound, CGS gram and MKS kilogram. Time, dimension is T. In measured FPS, that is second, CGS second and also MKS second. Okay, these are the different quantity we can measure in different unit systems. Now the system of internationally, that is SI unit system. The SI unit system standard scheme of symbol and unit and abbreviation was developed and recommended by General Conference on Weight and Measure in 1971 for the international uses in scientific, technical, industrial and commercial work. Now this is the system of unit which is at present accepted internationally. SI system uses decimal system and therefore conversion within the system are quite simple and convenient. Now the fundamental unit in SI system. These are the fundamental unit. Here main unit and supplementary unit. They are given. Quantity is length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamics, temperature, light intensity, amount of substance, and their symbols. Length symbol is L, mass symbol is M, time symbol is T, electric current is A, thermodynamic temperature K, light intensity CD, amount of substance is mole. Then the SI unit of these quantities meter, kilogram, second, ampere, Kelvin, candela, mole, etc. And the unit and the SI unit symbol is M, kg, S, A, K, etc. Means suppose here the length is denoted by symbol L and its SI unit is meter, then its symbol is M. Similarly, mass is a quantity, then its symbol is capital M and we can measure in kilogram and symbol is kg. Like similar, time, electric current, these are the symbol they are given and these are the SI units and these are the symbol of this unit. Now the supplementary unit means there are the two units, phase angle and solid angle. It is denoted by phase angle d theta and it is measured in radian and its symbol is rad. Solid angle d omega, that is steradian and its symbol is SR. Now the definition of SI units. So first the meter. The meter is the length of path traveled by light in vacuum during a time interval of 1 by 299,792,458 of second in 1983. Then kilogram. The kilogram is equal to the mass of international prototype of kilogram kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measure at Sur near the Paris, France in 1889. Second. The second is the duration of 9,192,631,770 period of radiations corresponding to the transition between two hyperpine levels of the ground state of cesium-133 atom in 1967. Now the ampere. Ampere is the most ampere is that constant current which is maintain the two straight parallel conductors infinite length of negligible circular cross section and placed 1 meter apart from the vacuum. It could be placed the conductor force equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7 Newton per meter of length. in 1948. Then Kelvin. The Kelvin is the fraction of 1 by 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water in 1967. Then candela. The candela is the luminous intensity. It is in a given direction of source that emits electromagnetic radiation of frequency 540 into 10 raised to power 12 Hz and has radiant intensity in the direction 1 by 683 watt per stellium in 1979. Then mole. The mole is the amount of substance of the system which contains as the many elementary entire as their atom in 0.012 kilogram of carbon 12 in 1971. Now the plane angle. The plane angle d theta is the ratio of arc ds to the radius r. Its unit is radian. It means we can draw here, this is the point O, and from O to this distance is r, and also this distance is r. We can find this area ds and here created angle d theta. Therefore d theta is equal to ds by r. Then solid angle. Solid angle d omega is the ratio of intercept area dA of the spherical circle describe the apex O and same center to the square of radius r. Its SI unit is steradian. Means we can define here point O, this is the solid surface and this is the area dA. It means d omega is equals to dA by r square. Now the important. For the following convenience are adopted while writing a unit. Even if the unit is named after a person, unit is not written in capital letters. We write joules, not a joules. Okay. Then second, for the unit name after a person, the symbol is capital letter. That is for joules we write J and rest of them lowercase letter. That is second is written is S. Third one, the symbol of unit do not have plural form. That is 70 meter, not 70 ms, or 10 Newton, not 10 ns. Now, the punctuation marks are not written after the unit. Means 1 liter is equals to 1000 cc, not 1000 c.c. Same unit are written for the general uses through outside the SI. These are the names, symbols and value in units. For example, here I write minute, the symbol is MIN and the SI unit is 60 seconds, hours 60 minutes, days 24 hours, means then years, that is 365.25 days. Okay, like that. These are the names, symbol and values in SI units.